Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what happens if your UPS package requires a signature and you are not home in 2026. So if a package requires a signature and you are not home, UPS will not leave it at your door. Instead, the driver will leave a missed delivery notice and take the package back. So you need to look for the UPS notice left at your door. It usually has a tracking number and options for redelivery or pickup. You can also go online and schedule a new delivery date. You can also choose to have it deliver to another day when you will be home. Another option is to pick up your package from the nearby UPS access point or facility. This is often the fastest way to get your package. Now, in some cases, you can sign the notice and leave it for the deliver, but it will only work if the package doesn't require a strict in-person signature. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.